Hi, it's Ross from SDS. This is a first look at the new Design1 programmer for the EM-5, EM6, and this is the first production one. Size on this is 6 1/4 wide by about 1 1/2 high by about 1 1/8 thick. And this has got all the new features incorporated into it. Lena peak switch is now right on the keypad here. Has an LED indicator to tell you if that's on or off. The programmer select here, so you can select which ECU you're on, and lights up an LED showing which one you're on there as well. And then the usual keypad functions over here as before. And here we've got strain relief tabs that support the DB9 cables, so we don't put stress on the circuit board. And here we've got an anti-static ground. Just connect that to a ground on the airplane. So this is the same width as your radio stack, and this should fit glass panels much better than the old round style. It looks more integrated as well. And yeah, based on feedback of a lot of our customers, we decided that this was the way to go, rather than some multifunction display, something that was really big and hard to fit in there. So hopefully people like this, and got production ramping up on this slowly but surely. Got a lot of demand for it right now. So try to start filling orders here end of December, January.